Good morning, my dear daughter.
Good morning, Mom. I'm happy.
Did you sleep well today?
Yes, Mom. I slept very well.
It's time to get ready now.
Okay, Mom. I am getting ready.
Brush your teeth and wash face.
I will brush now, Mom.
Eat breakfast before leaving for school.
I am eating breakfast quickly now.
Do you have your school bag?
Yes, Mom. I packed it already.
Put on your school shoes now.
Yes, Mom. My shoes are ready.
Here is your school water bottle.
Thank you, Mom. I need it.
Let's go to school together now.
Yes, Mom. I feel very happy.
Hold my hand while we walk.
Okay, Mom. I am holding tightly.
Look both ways before crossing street.
I see, Mom. I will look carefully.
We are almost at school now.
Yes, Mom. I see the gate.
Let's take a deep breath first.
Okay, Mom. I feel calm now.
Smile for your school photo today.
I will smile nicely, Mom.
Give a little wave to friends.
Yes, Mom. I wave to them.
Hold your bag tight, my dear.
Yes, Mom. I will carry carefully.
This is your class area now.
I feel ready for class, Mom.
Say goodbye before going inside class.
Bye, Mom. I will be careful.
I will wait here patiently now.
Okay, Mom. I am ready inside.
Sit down and relax for a while.
I am coming home very soon.
We wait for your sister together.
Yes, Mom. I am happy too.
Waiting a little time is fine.
Yes, Mom. I can wait nicely.
School is over now, my children.
I see my sister coming quickly.
Welcome back, my dear sweet daughter.
I am so happy, Mom, now.
Are you ready for the airport today?
Yes, Mom. I am very ready.
Pack your bag carefully for travel.
Ready, Mom? All packed.
Let's go to the airport now. Yes, I am excited to go. Sit safely inside the car seat.
I am ready, Mom. Buckled up.
Well, that we're together, we will reach the airport very soon.
I can't wait, Mom. I'm so excited.
Yes, we are at the airport now.
I am very happy, Mom, today.
Almost there. The terminal is close.
I see the airport. Very happy.
It's star-shaped. We wait here for your dad.
Yes, I am so happy waiting. Dad, you are finally home today.
I missed you all very much.
I missed you very much, Dad.
I missed you too, my sweetheart.
Dad, you are here now.
Yes, I am here, my buddy.
Welcome home, dear. We love you.
It feels so good to be home.
Let's go home together now, quickly.
Yes, we are together at last.
Look, that's our park again.
Yes, I remember it very well. Home at last. We are happy.
It feels so good being home.
Busy with life. We are happy together as family.
Yes, our family is complete now.